At number 1, we have the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction. This premium entry-level canister vacuum is engineered for flawless hard floor cleaning. Powered by German engineering, its 200-watt motor delivers exceptional suction power. The AirClean 3-stage filtration system is a game-changer for allergy sufferers. Its lightweight 13-pound body and telescopic wand make every corner easy to reach. Choose from 6 adjustable suction settings for ultimate versatility across surfaces. The pros are clear: outstanding suction, superior filtration, lightweight design, quiet operation, and legendary German build quality. The only cons? It has no powered brush roll, so it's not ideal for thick carpeting. The Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction, the number 1 choice for pristine hard floors.
At number 2, we have the Dyson Big Ball multi-floor canister vacuum. It combines powerful cyclone technology with innovative engineering to create one of the most user-friendly canister vacuums on the market. The self-adjusting cleaner head adapts to different floor types, delivering consistently strong suction without losing performance. The standout feature is Dyson's famous self-righting big ball design, which automatically returns to its upright position if knocked over. The articulating handle and flexible wand provide excellent maneuverability around furniture and into hard-to-reach areas. The hygienic one-button bin emptying system lets users dispose of dirt without touching the collected debris. It's a powerful, convenient, and sanitary cleaning solution. Though it does come with a higher price tag and is slightly heavier than some models.
At number 3, we have the Miele Boost CX1, a compact bagless canister vacuum designed for premium performance in a smaller package. Despite its size, the Boost CX1 delivers impressive suction power. Its advanced vortex technology captures fine dust, its pet hair, and debris with ease. On hardwood floors, it removes nearly every visible particle in a single pass. The track drive system keeps it stable while moving, and its compact dimensions make storage easy. One of the most noticeable advantages is its quiet operation, making it ideal for households with children or pets. The hygienic bagless dust container empties easily, reducing ongoing replacement costs. Although powerful, some users may find the floor head sticks to thicker carpets. Fortunately, adjustable suction settings make it easy to customize. The Miele Boost CX1, powerful, compact, and designed for modern living.
At number 4, we have the Eureka 36-8 Mighty Canister Cleaner. Powered by a 1200W motor, it delivers strong suction for deep cleaning on carpets, wood, and tile floors. And at under 9 pounds, its lightweight and compact design makes maneuvering a breeze, with a retractable cord for easy storage. It comes with all the tools you need: a floor brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, all kept handy on board. The large 2.5-liter dust bag with high filtration ensures effective cleaning and easy, mess-free disposal. Plus, a convenient blower port helps clear dust and debris from every nook and cranny. The Eureka 36-70M. Powerful, convenient, and reliable. The perfect cleaning solution for your apartment or home.
At number 5, we have the Kenmore 81414 Lightweight Bagged Canister Vacuum. A highly rated bestseller in the canister category, this pet-friendly model features a 2-motor system with strong suction and a telescoping wand for reaching high places or under furniture. It's designed for whole home cleaning on multiple surfaces, excelling at picking up pet hair, dirt, and debris, while maintaining clean emissions thanks to its HEPA filtration. The retractable cord, multiple tools, including power brush options, and lightweight build make maneuvering effortless. Customers love its durability, ease of bag changes, and performance on hard floors and low-pile carpets without tipping over easily. It's a solid mid-range choice for families or pet owners seeking reliable power and convenience at a competitive price.